Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss supply curve. Okay, what is supply curve? I am going to discuss it. Okay, in last video I have discussed law of supply. In law of supply we know very well, when price increases then supply increases, when price decreases then supply decreases. In last video we knew very well, but in this video I am going to discuss supply curve. Okay, what is supply, what is determination of supply, what is law of supply, each and everything I have discussed in the previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, then you will face lots of problem while understanding supply curve, because they are connected with each other. Okay, so try to see my previous video and then you can understand what is supply curve. Okay, before going to start this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like of this channel. After ending of this video, if you are facing any problem while understanding it, then you can comment me. Okay, or you can give message. Definitely I will solve your problem. Okay, so what is supply curve? I am going to discuss it. Please see it. This is price, this is quantity. Okay, this is price and this is quantity. Clear? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, and this is $90. Okay. This is price and this is quantity. Okay, this is price and this is quantity. Clear? When price was ₹1, then we were supplying only 5 quantity. Okay, we were supplying only 5 quantity. Okay, when price was ₹10, then now we are supplying 10 quantities. How? Why? Try to understand easily. Try to understand the concept. Okay, we know very well price increases. Okay, supply increases. Here we know very well price increases, supply increases. Okay, price decreases, supply decreases. Here, price increase, supply increase. Why price increase, supply is increase? Suppose I have purchased this pen in 20 rupees. Okay, I have purchased 2 lakh quantities. Now suddenly I have got the news, its price high, 30 rupees. Then I will earn more income. Okay, if I will sell this pen, then I will get 10 rupees extra profit. Okay, if price will high of any product, then I will get more income because I am supplier. Okay, if product of any price will high, then I will get more profit. Clear? So if price increases, supply increases. Price decreases, supply decreases. Clear? Try to see it. When price was ₹3, then now I am supplying 20. For one 10 and 2 for one 10. Okay, sorry. That version. When price was rupees 1, then I was supplying only 5 quantities. Clear? When price was rupees 10, then I was supplying only 5 quantities. When price was rupees 10, then I am supplying 10. When price was rupees 3, then I am supplying 30. When price was rupees 4, then I am supplying. In this way, I am increasing the supply. Okay, when price is rupees 7, then I am supplying 60 quantity. When price of rupees 8, then I am supplying 70 quantities. When price is rupees 9, then I am supplying 80 quantities. Okay, try to understand the concept. Here it means what? Our supply curve is increasing. This is our supply curve. It is increasing. Clear? Your price increasing, supply increasing. Okay, price increasing, supply is also increasing. This is supply curve. Clear? S means supply curve. Clear? It means what? When price was rupees 1, then I am supplying 5 quantity. When price is rupees 2, then I am supplying 20 quantities. Sorry, 10 quantities. Okay. When price is rupees 3, then I am supplying 20 quantities. 1, 5, 2, 10. Okay, 3, 20, 4, 30, 5, 40. In this way, price increases, supply increases. Price increases, supply increases. Clear? So this is the concept of supply curve. Okay? So this is supply in one curve. Okay? Price will never zero. Okay? Price will never zero. If it will zero, then I will not supply. I will close the business. Okay? I will close the business. So price will never zero. Okay? Why? Why? Because you will not run your business. Your business will be closed if your price will zero. Okay? So try to take the screenshot of this video. Okay? So thanks for watching this video. In next video I will discuss increase in supply and decrease in supply. It means what? Shift in supply. Okay? Shift in supply in next video I will discuss it. Thanks for watching this video.